What is an auto-callable structured product? Well, first, what is a structured product? It begins with an ordinary investment, like a market index, which we call the underlier. The structured investment is a wrapper linked to this underlier, shaping its performance to meet specific investor needs. Now let me ask you a question. What if you could set your needs to capture the upside of a market index while limiting your losses if the market goes down? Sounds awesome, right? That's where auto-callable products like Snowball come in. You see, Snowball offers superior benefits, crystal clear fees, and expert analysis, making it cooler than anything else in the market. But you might be confused or need guidance on how Snowball works, and that's exactly what this video is for. Let me break it down for you. Imagine a graph of market performance. On this graph, we mark 3 crucial levels. Initial price, where the market starts. Knockout price, our profit target, typically above the initial price. Knock-in price, our safety net, usually below the initial price. After each period of time, there are checkpoints. These are our observation dates, occurring regularly throughout the product's lifespan. Snowball is designed with 5 potential scenarios. In the first scenario, you start getting coupon payments at each observation date. If the linked index exceeds the knockout point during the product period, in this example on the 3rd month, a knockout event is triggered, and the product is automatically redeemed. You will still get your 3rd coupon along with the initial price within a few days of the knockout event, and the investment is terminated. But that's good news. You can now consider reinvesting into another auto-callable of your choice. In the second scenario, if the linked index initially breaks through the knock-in point downward but later exceeds the knockout point, a knockout event is triggered and the product is automatically redeemed. And similar to the first scenario, you'll get your coupons along with the initial price within a few days of the knockout event, and the investment is terminated. The third scenario here, the linked index plays it safe, staying between the knock-in point and the initial price throughout the product's life. The underlying asset never falls to the knock-in price, nor does it rise enough to trigger a knockout on any observation day. In this case, you hold the investment until maturity, receiving your initial investment back plus all the promised coupon income. For the fourth scenario, if the linked index breaks below the knock-in point and doesn't rise enough to trigger a knockout, but does surpass the initial price at maturity, you'll receive your initial investment back without the last coupon. The fifth and rarest scenario happens when, after a knock-in event, the index remains trapped between the initial price and the knock-in price until maturity. This situation could lead to potential losses, and you might lose money. But don't worry, historical data shows this almost never happens. Now that we've covered the basics, let's explore Snow Wealth's auto-callable product, Snowball. First, visit the official website and click on Products. You'll see several options on this slide, but let's go through a tailored experience to choose a product that meets our specific needs. Here, you can select your desired index's country. You can further filter results with more specifications. Choose the product's period, ranging from 7 days to 2 years. Set the knock-in and knockout prices for flexible investments, whether you're aiming for higher returns or limiting your risk. All available products matching your specifications will appear here. Clicking on a product reveals all the information you need, from yield to maturity percentage to management fees, demonstrating Snow Wealth's commitment to transparency for high-quality investments. Now you understand what auto-callable products are and how Snowball works by offering a unique blend of upside potential, downside protection, and the possibility of early redemption. After successfully investing on Snow Wealth's platform, you might wonder how to withdraw your earnings. For that, I highly recommend watching this video.